Hi friends, how are you? Sorry for late. Today I'm going to show you how to make this halftone design in Inkscape. So guys, let's start. So first we have to create a circle. Draw a circle. Now select shift key and click on black color to apply outline for the circle. Now click on none color. Now apply the snapping option from the corner and find the center point of the circle through guideline. So I have center point of this circle. You can see. Now select this one and go to path and click on object to path. Now we have to again draw another circle. Before drawing the circle must press shift key, duplicate this one and reduce the size of the circle and change the color. Now click on shift key and remove the outline. To remove the outline, select all these two and click on hold down shift key and click on none color. Now select all these. I think we have to reduce it or increase. I I think this is okay. Now select all these two and go to extension and apply the interpolate between two path. You can see the preview of the extension. Mm, this is okay. Now select this one and go to object and ungroup it. After the ungrouping, select all these and go to path and click on union. Now these are single object. Now select these two object now select these two object and go to extension, generate from path and click on pattern along path. You can see the preview. My pattern is vertical. I think I have to reduce the size before applying this extension. Close it. Reduce the size of this one and now select these two, go to extension and click on pattern along path. You can see the preview. I think this is okay. Now select this one and change the center point of this object and remove the disable the snapping option. Now duplicate this one, press Ctrl plus D to duplicate it, or you can delete this one. Duplicate it and rotate it like this. Again duplicate this one and rotate it like this. Again duplicate this one and rotate it like this. Now select these two objects and change the color. Now select only these two and change the color of these object. I think this is okay now. Now draw a rectangle and change the color. Now go to object and send it to back. Now right click and lock this object. Now select all these four objects only and press Ctrl plus G to group it. Now duplicate this object and hold down shift key and reduce the size. Now again duplicate it and hold down Ctrl and shift key to reduce the size of newly duplicated object. Duplicate it and reduce the size. Duplicate it. Press Ctrl plus shift key to reduce these object. I think we should duplicate more. Duplicate it. Now select this one and enable the transform dialog box. Now select all these and set the rotation value 0. Now select all these objects one by one and rotate it on 10 plus value. Select this one, put the value 10 and apply. You can choose this value according to your need. apply. Now select this one. Now select all these objects one by one and apply the rotation. I don't want to waste your time, so I am showing you the fast forward. Every time plus the 10 and apply the rotation. I think we should make more object. Yes, we can make some more object. Select this one and duplicate it and reduce the size. Repeat the same option. Duplicate it, press Ctrl plus T to duplicate and hold down Shift and Control key before reducing the object. Rotate it again. Now select this one and rotate it. Zoom in this area. Rotate it one by one. So we have completed our design, and I know you can make better than me. Please try it with your own way. And guys, sorry for late this video, and my health was not okay. So guys, I hope I will make video regular, and please support my channel. Thank you.